In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to the Dawn theme in Shopify. Now, customizing your Shopify store is an essential part of brand building, and adding a favicon is one of those small yet significant steps you can take to ensure your online presence stands out. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control area, your dashboard where all the magic happens. Look for the sidebar on the left. You've probably become quite familiar with this area, but today we're specifically interested in the online store section. Go ahead and give that a click. This takes us into another layer of customization options where you can tweak and perfect your store's appearance. Once you're inside the online store, you'll see various themes displayed. The one we're focusing on is the Dawn theme, so ensure that is the theme you currently have active or wish to modify. Moving from here, your next destination is Theme Settings. You can find this option usually nestled toward the bottom of your navigation menu under the Customize area, which allows absolute control over the visual aspects of your storefront. By accessing theme settings, you're opening the door to a variety of options to adjust your store's look and mood. With theme settings open, you'll see several choices available, but the one pertinent to our task at hand is Logo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, within this section lies the potential to add your favicon. A favicon, if you aren't certain, is that tiny little icon that appears in the browser tab next to your page title. It's like a miniature logo that helps with brand recognition, making your site instantly recognizable among a sea of open tabs. In this logo section, look for the specific option labeled Favicon. This is where you'll upload the image you want to represent your brand in favicon form. Ideally, the image should be simple and clear, as the space for these icons is quite limited. A small graphic, generally 32 by 32 pixels, works best. Once you've selected your desired image, go ahead and upload it to Shopify. Finally, there's a crucial step that you don't want to overlook: saving your changes. Look for a Save button, typically located on the top or bottom of the settings panel. Click this to ensure all your hard work uploading that favicon is preserved. This might seem like a small detail, but forgetting to save can mean that your updates aren't applied, and we definitely don't want to have to repeat any steps if possible. And there you have it. Now your Shopify store should proudly display your chosen favicon in the browser tab. This small yet powerful addition aids in making your brand more professional and cohesive. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helped make your Shopify store shine a little brighter. Until next time, happy selling!